Filipino-American and the head coach of the Miami Heat, Coach Erik Spoelstra, has been named as the head coach para sa USA national men's team. You know what time it is? Hands in. Sayang, no? Parang what if si Coach Po ang nag-coach sa Pilipinas? It would have helped us a lot from someone na NBA caliber yung coaching level, di ba? Sinong tatanggi dun? Pero siguro para kay Coach Spoelstra, paano nga makakatanggi kung isusubo na lang sa'yo yung trophy? Isusubo na lang sa'yo yung mga medal considering na meron kang opportunity na makabuo ng pinakamalakas na lineup ever sa mga susunod na international tournaments. Siyempre, kung practical lang din ang iisipin, dun ka na nakatira, dun ka na nagtatrabaho, dun ka na rin talaga mag-represent. And you can't really blame him for it. That's what probably led to his decision. Kaya in order of Coach Erik Spoelstra, sasali ako ng tournament na ang gagamitin ko lang ay puro Miami Heat players. By the way, pwede nyo palang gamitin yung daily fantasy code ko. It's H Galleria. That gives you free 100 rubies whenever you join and download the daily fantasy app. Going back, practical ba tong gagawin ko? Hindi. Dapat nyo bang gawin to? Hindi rin. Kasi the idea nga for daily fantasy is dapat bumuo ka ng medyo all-star lineup na magbibigay talaga sa'yo ng mataas na stats. Yung vice captain magbibigay sa'yo ng 1.5 times your original na fantasy points, and whoever you place in your captain would give you double the points na meron siya originally. So again, bakit ko ba gagawin to? This is for Coach Spo specifically. Wala lang. Bakit ba? Ito-double check lang natin kung mananalo talaga o hindi. Pero parang mas mataas yung chance na matatalo. Siguro ito yung isa sa mga bagay na hindi nyo dapat gawin pag naglalaro kayo ng fantasy sports. Try to pick from different teams para mas mataas yung chances nyo to get higher fantasy point totals. Kasi iba-ibang mga star players ng mga teams yung pinagpipilian for you to get it.